Hello my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to another episode of Chris the Butcher and Friends. And tonight I'm doing a barbecued pork burger, right? Yeah, I know it's another burger, but hang on. I love me burgers. Everyone knows I love a good burger. But before we crack on with this barbecued pork burger, right, we've got to go back to where it began. And now, brothers and sisters, this is how it ends. So let's now crack on. Incidentally, two things, right? First one is the washing machine's on, right? So if you can hear the washing machine in the background. There's nothing I can do. I've got two kids and they need clean clothes. Secondly, I didn't tell you about these pork barbecue burgers, did I? Now, it's pork shoulder meat with rusk, water, only a bit of rusk, a pork seasoning, and I've used a barbecue, Smokey barbecue Flava glaze and minced it all together, which you'd have seen on the beginning of this burger's journey. So, I'm going to get my burgers in. I'm going to get my smoked streaky bacon in, because what's a burger without smoked streaky bacon? Sorry brothers and sisters as well, I know it's going to be hard to believe this, but there is no garlic. So when I've finished eating this, I'm going to brush my teeth with a clove of garlic, you know, just to get me fix and all that. Anyway, I'm going to cook these burgers probably about 4 minutes each side, and then we're virtually there. So we'll see these, I'll flip them in just a minute. So we're turning this burger. And try not burn me freaking finger on the pan. Right, that's my burger's turn. My smoked streaky bacon turned. The camera off and I'm running my finger on the fucking cold tap. As you can see, the bacon's gone. So now we're going to put 1, 2 slices of cheese on each burger. I'm going to bang the lid on it and then we're going to let that run for about a minute. Done. Now let's build this bastard. So brothers and sisters, this one is simple. All I've got is some baby gem lettuce on the bottom of my burger, not too much, because us carnivores, we can't digest green shit, can we? But we got to show willing, haven't we? So on that there then is our barbecue pork burger with the cheese that's burnt around the edges. That is orgasmic, and the cheese is stuck to my finger like burning plastic. Ah! But we're going to crack on. Next one on there, yes. And now, boys and girls, the smoked streaky bacon. On there, on there. This is such a simple but delicious, delicious fucking burger. I'm saying I ain't tasted it yet. And then on the top of the bun, a good splash of Guinness barbecue sauce. Right, let's put the lid on this let's get down here, have a close look at it, and then we'll delve into the taste test. So there it is, my brethren. That is my barbecued pork burger with a baby gem lettuce, smoked streaky bacon, Guinness barbecue sauce, burnt cheese, which is the future, served on a Warburtons bun. And now, what do you say we slide this down me gizzard? So, my brothers and sisters, that is the barbecued pork burger in all its glory. So what do you say? Should we slide this down me gizzard? Yeah. Ooh. Mm. You know what makes that? That cheese mixed with the barbecue sauce and the barbecue that's in the burger. The texture of the pork, because it's pork shoulder. It's moist. But the crisp, right, see it? The crisp on that burnt cheese with the smoked bacon. Oh, it's magical. It's that good, my glasses are falling off my face. That is mad fucking fire! So there you have it. That was my barbecue pork burger. And it was, as I say, magical. Oh man. So if you like it, press like, comment, share it on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Add me on Snapchat with all them gay filters. Oh look, I've got flowers on me right. Incidentally, and subscribe. And next time you see me, I'll have a fucking haircut. In fact, fucking magic. Hey, and I fucking love you.